Have you ever tried to wash a greasy, oily frying pan using nothing but tap water? You already know the result. The oil and water push away from each other and refuse to mix. This animated diagram shows exactly what happens inside your digestive tract. Your liver produces a fluid called bile to solve the oil and water problem. Bile acts like internal dish soap, forming a bridge that breaks massive fat droplets into tiny, manageable pieces. For millions of people, this natural system struggles. Every year, around 700,000 Americans have their gallbladder removed, leaving them without their primary storage tank for that crucial fluid. When your bile flow drops, fat digestion becomes uncomfortable and inefficient. This generic label shows how the supplement industry usually handles that problem. They group a dozen ingredients together under a proprietary blend and list one single weight for the whole pile. You have no way to know exactly how much of each ingredient you are actually getting. These two bottles show a different approach. This is Gallavance. It is a step-by-step system for fat digestion, available in two distinct formulas, the blue original version and the green plant-based version. Solving fat digestion requires a transparent, fully staffed system that addresses every part of the process, not a hidden list of ingredients. This animated factory shows how fat digestion actually happens. It is a sequence of 5 distinct stations on an assembly line. If any station along that line stops working, the whole process fails. Station 1 is delivery. Standard capsules often dissolve in your stomach acid, which can damage the ingredients before they can help you. Gallavance uses delayed release capsules designed to safely bypass the stomach and open in the small intestine, right where your body digests fat. That brings us to Station 2, the breakdown phase. This is the heavy lifting. Before your body can use fat, those large molecules must be broken apart into smaller pieces so your digestive workers can get to them. The original formula uses 500 milligrams of ox bile extract, supported by measured amounts of artichoke, dandelion, and ginger root. The ox bile directly adds to your body's own supply to break down fats, while the botanical extracts support your natural fluid production and help keep the process comfortable. This plant-based label shows a different crew for Station 2. It uses a high-powered enzyme called lipase and much higher doses of artichoke and dandelion extracts. Instead of using animal bile, this version uses the lipase enzyme to chemically break down fats, while the extra-strength botanicals encourage your body's own natural digestive fluids to flow. While both formulas use different workers at Station 2, they both successfully complete the fat breakdown step required to move the process down the line. This diagram highlights Station 3, the activation phase. When bile is first produced, it needs a specific finishing touch to reach its full strength. That finishing touch comes from 150 milligrams of L-Taurine. This amino acid physically attaches to those bile molecules, supercharging them so they can break down fat much more effectively. But breaking down the fat is only half the job. Station 4 is transport. Digested fats are useless if they get stranded in your intestine. They have to move into your body. This animation shows our delivery trucks. Ingredients called phosphatidylcholine and sunflower lecithin form tiny, spherical transport pods that surround the broken down fat. Once they are inside these protective pods, the fats can safely ferry across the intestinal wall and into your system, where they can finally be used. This sequence is what makes Gallavance different. Taking isolated ox bile without taurine for activation or phospholipids for transport is like breaking down cargo but forgetting to hire the trucks to ship it. This specific sequence of ingredients is patent pending. Even so, Gallavance refuses to hide any information behind a proprietary blend. You should know exactly what is in your supplement, right down to the milligram. Transparency is the only way to verify you are getting what you paid for. This label section shows that Gallavance is made in a U.S. facility that meets strict government rules for safety, purity, and cleanliness. To prove those standards, every single batch undergoes independent laboratory testing. We publish the results for every bottle we make, so you can see the proof for yourself. You can choose the blue bottle for direct ox bile support or the green bottle for a botanical and enzymatic approach. Both use the same high standards and the same step-by-step system. Please consult your healthcare provider before use, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have a medical condition, or take prescription medications. True digestive relief comes from hiring the right transparent crew for every step of the job.